10 meters might seem a long way out for us normal human beings, but it's all in a day's work for Anna Hubinger and that arm of hers. Yana Yemelyanenko leaves her defender scratching her head before nailing the ball into the bottom corner. Simply unstoppable. Manon Huet next with a masterclass in how to leave your defender chasing shadows. A classy move and a monstrous finish to match. Carmen Martin is known for her finesse finishing, and this time is no different as she elegantly spins one past the keeper from an acute angle. And in top spot, it's textbook execution by Estevana Polman. A throw of the highest quality fires her into first place for this week's top 5 goals.